In this video, we're going to look at creating a health pickup. The principles learned here, you'll be able to apply it to creating other kinds of pickups and think about how you might be able to create such a pickup, like pick up a rocket launcher and add it to the carried guns here, which would let the player switch to it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and create a new scene. I've already created some graphics here. All I'm going to do here with this one is create an area node. And I'm going to have a 3D sprite on it. And I'm also going to have a collision. And that collision shape is just going to be I'll make it a sphere shape. It really doesn't matter in this case. We'll go to 3D. It's probably going to be a bit big. I might have to resize it. Take it down to that size. And the sprite 3D, I've got some sprites here. I got these off the Realm 667, of course. I've put them into pickups. And I've put some keys in there, but I'm just going to focus on the health one this time around. Texture is going to go into there. And we're going to make it billboard. So flags. Where's billboard? There we go. Billboard Y billboard. There we go. That's that there. Maybe a bit small. May have to scale that up. We'll see what happens. But I'm going to leave that collision area pretty good. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to add some code to this. I better rename that one first. This is going to be health pickup. Add some code. Ooh, I've made a mistake there. I'm just going to close that script and I'm going to delete it from that. I'm going to save this scene first into scenes. Then I'm going to add the scene so it goes into the scenes folder. And I'm going to go to this here, node, signals, and area entered. Body entered, actually. And connect that. Now I'll just have a look at my player. That's a kinematic body. It is in the group called player, so that's good. That's what we want. And we're just going to do a check here. If body dot is in group player, game stats, or what did I call it? I might have called it player stats actually. Player stats dot change health by whatever I want the health thing to be. So let's do this here, export int var health value, and we'll set the default to 20, and then we'll just put health value in here. So that way, if you want to change it, you can. Now, if I put this into the world and place it in here somewhere, so let's go 3D. I bring in, go to scenes, see whether this needs to be scaled up at all. Health pickup, oh, it's really tiny. Okay, so let's go to health pickup and we'll make this sprite a lot bigger with the scale. Region, transform, there it is. Actually, I can probably just scale the whole area up. Transform, we'll just go 4 by 4 by 4. Save that, go back to world. Bring it in. There we go, it's a bit bigger. And I can put that over here. Now, I'm just going to set my player's health just to demo this. I'm just going to set the player's health. Player stats. The player health is, oh no, the max health is 200. So when I pick this health up, oops, I've done the wrong thing there. Let's turn all these debug things off now. World and test this health pickup. If I go and pick that health up, it should take my health to 120. There it is, it's over there, it's floating. I could position that so it's actually on the ground, but I get that. And you see my health goes up to 120 and then it goes up to 140. So all I need to do with that health pickup, the code is just going to be Q3 and it's done. So that's a health pickup. An ammo pickup is going to work the same way. Now, a gun pickup is going to be something slightly different because you're going to have to check if body dot is in group player. So this is going to be the pseudocode for it. Check if body is a player group. Check if that. Then you're going to have to check if the gun name is in the body dot, which refers to the player, which will have this code on it, body dot carried guns. So if I go back to here, body dot carried guns is it's not in it. And if it's not in it, add rocket, like a pen, rocket launcher to the carried guns list. Else add rocket ammo or something like this. Add rocket ammo because you want to start with some ammo. So that would kind of be the pseudocode for picking up an actual weapon off the ground. Now, this is the kind of thing that you want to start to be figuring out on your own. So I'm not actually going to do this, and that's not me being lazy. It's me doing you a favor, and you can take that and learn from it. So making the health, the ammo pickup is going to be simple. Armor, I haven't actually really done anything with. I think I may have done something with it in the code. I don't actually remember off the top of my head. It was a little while back when you change health. Is there like a take damage function? Oh yeah, there's a take damage function. So when you take damage, it does take it off the armor. So you could create an armor pickup that gives you extra armor, and different ammo pickups in there to give you different ammo. So that's all up to you. The graphics you can get off of Realm 665. You could just have a generic ammo box that just gives you all the ammo at once. Just change all of these by 5 or 10 or whatever. There's lots of things you can do with that, but that stuff is up to you.